Hi there, and welcome to part 6 of 6 of this series on self-publishing with Amazon KDP, where you can start creating and selling ebooks or paperbacks with absolutely no startup costs. By now, you should have your ebook published already. In this video, I will show you how to use the information from your ebook, with some editing involved, and turn it into a physical book that you can sell on Amazon. Amazon will take care of everything, taking orders, printing, and shipping the book. I will also give you an important piece of advice at the end, which will help you hack the system and create a paperback in a language that Amazon KDP does not support. Let's get started. If you are at the pop-up window where you just submitted your ebook for review, you can start by clicking Start Your Paperback Now. Another way is to go to the Amazon KDP homepage. You will see a Create Paperbacks option somewhere here. Once you click on that, it will bring you to this page. The process is very similar to how you created your ebook. There are 3 tabs at the top that you need to complete. You will notice that a lot of information has already been filled in for you. That being said, there are still things you need to complete. For the first tab, go down to where it says Series and Edition Number and fill in the information if they apply to your book. This information is already filled out based on the details from your ebook. For publishing rights, if you created your own book from scratch, you will select the first option. Answer whether your book has explicit images or titles. Now pick which one of these applies to your book, low content book or large print book. You can learn more about each type by hovering your mouse over the text. Choose the categories that fit your book. Go down to answer the question about whether your book has already been published before. I will select the first option since this is the first time I am publishing this book. Here, you choose whether you want your book to be published right away or scheduled for a specific date. Click Save and Continue to start working on the next tab. For a physical book, you do want an ISBN number, which you can get for free by clicking here. If you get a free ISBN from them, you are only allowed to sell on Amazon and its partners' platforms. Here you will choose your ink and paper type. Note that this will affect your printing cost, so choose what fits the purpose of your book. It goes from least expensive at the top to most expensive at the bottom. For me, my book is an inspiration book that focuses on the text, so I will just pick this one. There are more detailed settings here. Once again, all these will affect your printing cost. Now, we need to take care of the manuscript. I will leave it as it is, using the same Kindle Create file that I uploaded for my ebook. Since we are creating a physical book now, you need a book cover. I recommend using their cover creator. You can see the steps you need to take in the upper left corner. You need to choose the general book cover design first. I like this one. Now go to Style and Edit. Click to pick your own image if you want to. For any text you want to edit on the book cover, just click on it and make the changes. It is very straightforward. You can choose different layouts if you want by clicking here. There are also options for fonts and colors. Feel free to play around. Once you are satisfied with your design, click Save and Submit at the bottom. While the book cover is uploading, let's answer the questions for AI content. I did use ChatGPT and DALL-E, so this is what I put down. Let's do a book preview and see how the book will appear in print. The text on the left basically states that Amazon will check your book and ensure everything is good before it's published live online. You can choose between 2-page view and thumbnail view from the bottom. You can download a PDF proof file of your book here if you want that. If you like how your book appears and everything looks good, you need to click Approve in the bottom right. Here you can see a summary of your book information and printing cost. Let's click Save and Continue for the third tab. I choose All Territories because I want my book to be available worldwide. I will leave the marketplace as Amazon.com since I'm living in the USA. Now let's set the price. The chart will automatically generate and update the information when you type in the price. Note that the printing cost is listed here. You can earn 60% or 40% in royalties depending on your settings. I check the box for expanded distribution, even though it only gives me a 40% rate. I think it's worth it since the expanded distribution option will bring me more potential buyers. It will take up to 72 hours for Amazon to make your book available online, assuming they do not find any problems during the screening process. If you would like to see the actual book before it goes live, you can click the Request Proof option and have Amazon ship the book to you for preview first. Note that this option is not free. You will receive an email to complete the buying process. The book you receive will have "Not for Sale" printed on the cover. If you want your book to be live online right after Amazon finishes checking it, check Publish your paperback book. The Save as Draft option allows you to save all the information that you have input without submitting the book to Amazon for review. If you want to order some copies for your friends, you do not need to order them online from Amazon at retail prices. You can go to your Amazon KDP homepage and select Order Author Copies. The price is based on your printing cost plus shipping, so it should be much cheaper than ordering from Amazon like everyone else. Also, as of the time when I was creating this video, not all languages accepted in ebook format can be converted into physical book format. However, there is a workaround. I have tricked Amazon KDP into printing a physical book for me in Chinese by screenshotting each page from my ebook and inserting it as an image when creating my physical book. Please let me know whether or not my video series on self-publishing with Amazon KDP has been useful for you by commenting below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos on practical how-tos and product peeks. Until next time, see you.